We're in for some more rain, but the rain is going to be lighter. We're not going to be seeing those heavy bands all day long like we did yesterday. Just maybe a few, but these are starting to taper off too. So we can see that we have snow back off towards the west and maybe 2 to 3 feet of snow in West Virginia and also in western Maryland before it's all said and done. But we zoom into some areas that we're looking at the heavier rain. And we have it moving off towards the west right now around Reston, Centerville. So basically this is in Virginia, and we are going to continue with the light rain. And the light rain is in this green color. And basically that's everywhere else as we go through the rest of today. The light rain will be steady, so those rainfall totals will begin to add up once again as we go into the afternoon. And a lot of spots were already hit over an inch of rain, and we're still in the morning time frame. So we have more flooding to contend with as we go throughout the day. Also, we have the winds to contend with. No, it's not going to be as breezy, as windy, I should say, as it was yesterday, but still windy nonetheless, because we can see gusts up to about 40 from Laurel to Baltimore right now, even Chesapeake, and we're seeing 50s over in Arlington, Clarksburg, and we have the 30s along the eastern shore. 2 more miles an hour in northeast, and well, we would have tropical storm force winds there. But again, these are gusts that we're going to be talking about as we go throughout the day. Sustained winds will be more like 15, 10. So this is what we're talking about on a breezy day. So you can see conditions will continue to improve, but it is going to take a bit. So we do have flood warnings still up through today, and we're also going to be dealing with the coastal flood warning. This is through Wednesday. We have that high tide still coming in as we go into Port Deposit, and that will be around 11 today, a little after 11 o'clock this morning. Peak wind gusts for yesterday. Look what we have. Hurricane force winds in Atlantic City all the way down to New Market, still tropical storm force winds. That's what we're talking about for today. It is going to be breezy, but not that bad. Let's talk about what's going to happen in the future. I'm looking in my crystal ball, and I think you're going to like what I pull out here, because conditions will begin to improve, especially by Thursday. The breeze is still out there, but we'll get more sunshine in the forecast, finally brightening things up. That continues right through the weekend, and temperatures begin to warm up a bit as well. I'll take it back to Halloween. It is still going to be a little bit on the windy side, so it looks like Sandy has messed up Halloween plans. Let's get a check now at the ABC2 time.